Hello, everyone. Well, let's say you come home from work and it's been a long, hot day and you're thirsty and ready for a cold one, and no one has put any in the fridge and you have hot beer. Well, have no fear. Cold beer is here, and I'm going to show you the solution right now. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up one of these beers here at room temperature, and we're going to see what the temperature of the beer is. So opening up one now. There we go. Pour it into the little glass here so we can use this to measure temperature. And hopefully you'll be able to see the gauge of the temperature as it rises. The current temperature in the room is about 70 degrees. We're putting this in, and we're going to see what happens for the temperature of the beer. And hopefully you can see this clearly, but it looks like it's going to settle in at about maybe 66 degrees. If you can see that, I'll move the camera up and down because as I look here in the camera, I'm not really seeing it very clearly, but it is in fact at about 66 degrees. So how do we make it cold faster? Well, reach in here, pull out another one, and we begin by placing some ice in the bottom of our large vessel. If you want to, you could use whatever you wanted to, really. Then we're going to put some more ice in and surround this with ice. Yep, like so. Put a little more ice in. Oh, yes. Until we have it encased in ice. Pretty much like that. Okay. Now, what we do is a rather simple procedure. This is kind of what people used to do when they made ice cream, is you spin this beer. And don't worry, you're going to get the effect you want here. So this will come over here and just keep spinning. And this could take a while, so I'll probably fast forward this for everyone. But in a way, I'd like to just keep the original time. Right now, we're probably in there for about 20 seconds. And so we started at the 220 mark, and if you'd like to fast forward, you can, but I'm just going to keep videotaping this and let it run as I spin. I'm going to switch hands. Whoop, pardon me for that little jiggle. I don't have one of those tripod-y things. We're not doing anything fancy schmancy here. We're just trying to illustrate the way to get yourself a nice cold beer within a few minutes if you don't have one. And, most people like to have their beer temperature right at about 36 to 40 degrees. So that's what we'll be aiming for here. Yes. Just spinning away, and let's look at our one that's sitting over here. Temperature, yes. It is definitely at 66 degrees there. So we're just going to get back over here, spin some more. Because I am of the belief that merely by spinning a beer for approximately 3 minutes, you will get it about as cold as you possibly can, even if it were in ice cold cooler. So we're spinning away and enjoying the day. And hopefully you're going to see some great results here that will coincide. Oop, there went a little cube, let it get away. I'm going to find another spinning technique here. Hopefully don't knock the whole darn thing over. And I'm trying to keep my finger out of the way as well. Spinning, spinning, spinning. And what we're going to have to do here, let's set this at a minute. Pull out our little thermometer and get rid of this in my mouth. There we go. And we'll put our thermometer back in and commence to spinning again. Now, obviously, this isn't going to make this as scientific as some would want it because I'm not constantly spinning it for the whole time, but I think it will still get the idea. And what I think I'm going to do, since I believe I started at about 2 minutes, is 3 minutes might be not quite enough time, so I'm going to go for 4. So let's see if we can get the beer as cold as it possibly can be. And what I'm really trying to do is get it down below 40 degrees where it's just comfortably cool. So we'll keep going here for just a little bit longer. Yes, indeed. And I am using Miller Lite here, but that's only because I happen to be on a diet right now with my wife, Cheryl. And it's the keto diet. And these are about the lowest carbs you can find in beer. So I'm doing that carb cut down thing. All right. Well, we are approaching 4 minutes of spin time. So I think it's a good time as any to take out the beer and see what the temperature is here in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right. Now we're going to tip her back up. Oh, put it against the cheek. Oh, it does feel cold. Popping her open right now. There we go. Get over here where you can see and monitor and pouring it in. And let's see what we get to. All right. Nice squeaky wooden chair I'm in here. And the temperature is dropping quickly, folks. Quickly, quickly, quickly. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to move the camera up and down a little bit. But yes, indeed, we are right now, in 4 minutes time, we have achieved 40 degrees. Again, I hope you can see that. I'll get in as close as I can, but we're actually right below 40, maybe even 39. My guess is another minute and we would have actually gotten down to around 35. But there you go. That's how it's done. I hope that'll help you out if you don't have a cold beer in your house and you need one. So have no fear. You can still have cold beer. We'll catch you next time. And please, if you want to, check out some of my tunes I've got on YouTube as well. Just put in my name, Tyler Self, S-E-L-P-H, and they put the word songs afterwards. And if you like this, I appreciate a thumbs up. And if you feel like subscribing, go right ahead and I'll subscribe back to you. That's it for today. Bye-bye.